It's something weird. Super weird. You! Emo! Yeah, y'all are sending it and getting back up there quick.
So I've cleaned the blue line. Okay, let me rephrase that. I cleared the blue line on this last one. Andrew watched me and said I made it, but then I went over the edge because I couldn't make the turn. Yeah.
Get it! You! Send it! Hell yeah, dog! You! The bachelor party train! Sending it.
I'm gonna do the green.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
You good? You're good.
We're good.
What happened?
I ran over the bike. Just straight ran over the bike. You good?
Yeah, I'm good. Watch out.
Yo, no, I am good to go. Don't you fucking dare. Stay the fuck away from me.
Some bridge, yeah.
It was better before, now it hurts even more.
No, like I made a cleaning bottle. That I think is worse. That does. I would rather have this than that. Yes.
Yikes, dude.
that sucks, and I'm sorry.
This kind of a place like pushes you to a next level.
You guys are crazy. We were like watching y'all. Send it, man. That big bridge?
So the dude who works here was doing it. No.
Risk reward. You know, I gotta think risk reward.
I'm getting married in 2 weeks. No.
That looks like a death.
I'll take that. That's sick.